channel. This is Missy.
What? We are wearing twins today.
Oh.
Wearing the same brand, same shirt.
So we are twins today. This is Brandon.
So we're both Brandons. We're wearing the same shirt.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
I'm not Brandon.
Today you are, because you're wearing the same shirt. You copied me. So today, Missy is a boy. What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna do a Momo challenge.
Momo challenge. Exciting.
So I got so many DMs on Instagram, and Facebook, and YouTube as well. So people keep asking, can you do a Momo challenge? So here we are. Today we're gonna do a Momo challenge, and whoever lost the challenge has to clean the house.
Ooh.
That's gonna be
I
you.
feel sorry for you.
No.
She's gonna. Oh, sorry, not she. He's.
Why are you referring me as a he? I'm not
I'm
he.
just saying. Same shirt. Boom.
I'm like, I didn't copy you, Brandon. I just got this top when I took it out. Yeah.
That's what he said. Oh!
Yeah! So yeah, we're gonna do a Momo challenge. So let's go make some momos first.
Yeah.
My sister gonna help me to make a momo. She's doing everything. Yay! Momo ready on lion. यो कस्तो राम्रो कस्तो जुसी देखेछ यार सही हो कि यो हो कि मोमो भनेको हाम्रो मोमोको सेफ एकचोटि हाँस्छ न गाना गाइदियो न एकचोटि चल्न देऊ बतास उडी आउँछ घर उडाउँछ So momo ready भयो पुदिनाको चटनी रेडी छ Now we gonna start
Good luck.
Cheers,
So you're gonna
Brandon.
need it.
Okay.
'Cause I'm gonna win.
Cheers. Oh. Opi! Slowly, man. It's एकदम juicy. It's juicy. That's a juicy momo.
Wow.
Juice, right? Juice. Look, juice.
Juice.
Oh, nice.
You full?
Mm.
Yeah. You done?
Hey,
I can eat this. Just give up. You know you're not gonna win.
I was in Nepal, and we used to go to Tera, to the Bahia. We eat 3 plates of momos straight away.
Chutney is beautiful though.
Huh?
Chutney is beautiful.
You like it? Oh. This is my 8th.
Oh, this is my 10.
Yeah.
Best Momo. Love you, Momo.
I'm not even momo.
She's my Momo. I mean, he my Momo.
Even like gay, are you?
No. I told you, but today you're me.
Who?
You are me.
I'm not you.
And I'm you.
So you have to stay home today. You don't have to go work.
Yeah, no. You go work. You got mixed. Can you pull?
I'm full though. Who's that? What momo you prefer?
Chicken. I like goat too.
Goat one? Oh yeah, that one.
Goat is nice.
Oh, juice up is on there. We had it in Nepal, goat one. We like that one.
Mommy always make. Mommy.
Mommy? My mom.
Yeah, your mom. Mommy.
हामी नेपालमा हुँदाखेरि Brandon everyday Momo mà các hàng tới mà. Everyday.
Momo or chopper, it doesn't matter.
He just like, oh mommy, can we eat Momo today? And mommy let's join like the Momo banana.
Mommy just make it.
Because mommy loves you. A lot than me.
That's true. She loves her dry sop.
Huh?
I said she loves her dry sop. Dry sop.
Join up.
More than you. I'm number one.
I'm full.
Yeah.
Are you full?
Nah. I think we're halfway down. Maybe that's not halfway.
I don't know.
Maybe. Let's slow it down.
I don't know what
You're so
what
hungry.
number am I?
Right, now, let's go. Oh, sorry.
Are you full? Already?
Tank's full, babe. Tank is full.
True. Oh, I'm so full.
But I'm gonna do it for the people. Do it for you guys. Right, but you're done. So, are you gonna say that I'm the winner?
Nope. That's never gonna happen.
Hey, I thought you were done.
Like, I'm like really full, but
Yeah, me too.
I thought I could eat more.
Me too. Just a little more.
Oh, I'm done.
The winner.
The winner is Brandon. That is me.
Sayo.
No, not Sayo.
Eh?
Because you told me that I am Brandon today.
No.
Guys, he told us, didn't he?
Ah.
You're the one who told us that I am you, you are me. So basically, you lose the game.
No, that's not fair.
Brandon, that doesn't count. You basically told me that you are me and I'm you. So what means you win means I win. Or lose means you win.
Hell no.
Hell yes.
Now on, I'm the winner.
So you've been winning the whole challenge, you know, the before. The chot put challenge,
Yeah.
you win it.
The noodles challenge.
The noodle challenge, you win it. Even the Momo challenge.
I don't want it. All three challenge.
You know what? Next time we're gonna do a pani puri challenge. I'm gonna win.
Ha!
Brandon, I eat more pani puri than
I'm
you.
a 3-time winner.
But still.
3 times.
No, it doesn't count.
1, 2, 3. 3-time winner.
But pani puri challenge, I'm gonna win.
Ah,
Yeah, because I love pani
I'm
puri.
3 and a 0. 3 and 0. The next video, 4 and a 0. So, if you want to come, keep coming. Keep coming.
Can you eat it
The
up?
champ is here. The champ is here. Thank you for watching our Momo challenge.
So thank you for watching our videos. If you want us to do more challenges, like some other challenges,
Whatever challenge you guys want us to do,
comment down below. And yes, if you haven't subscribed our channel, so make sure you subscribe
Please do.
our channel. Hit the ring bell button
It should be
so it will
updated.
notify that we put a new videos. So it will notify you guys. And thank you for watching our videos.